Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with the MRH3 Digital Non-Destructive Moisture Meter. The Tramex MRH3 Moisture and Humidity Meter is a handheld digital moisture meter calibrated for most building materials. It also attaches to an optional plug-in Tramex HygroEye relative humidity probe and heavy-duty pin-type electrodes. These are sold separately. Suitable for many industries, including assessing water damage, restoration, flooring, indoor air quality, home inspections, and pest control. In the box, there's a quick start guide with information on where to find the full manual online, a calibration certificate, a carry case with a wrist strap and a handle, and the MR3 Moisture and Humidity Meter. The meter comes with batteries already installed. Turn on by pressing the power button. Once on, the 2-row LCD screen will display. Below the screen are 6 buttons. These are up, scale, hold audio, down, power, and backlight. The sides of the meter are grooved for easy grip. On the top of the meter are the plugs for optional additional probes. These are the HygroEye 2-probe socket and the socket for wood probes. On the back are the transmitting and receiving electrodes and the battery cavity. Press the scale button to select the required mode. Select wood, pin probe, and between the relative scales. Press the down arrow to move between the relative scales. The wood scale is 5 to 55%. This indicates the moisture content of wood when used on wood products. The left side of this screen shows a specific gravity setting, which may be adjusted to match the wood species for a more accurate reading by pressing the up and down arrows. Relative scale. Roof, masonry, drywall, and laminate scale readings are 0 to 99%, shown as low, medium, and high, and these are comparative only. Now, to take a measurement, all there is to do is press the MRH3 completely against the surface you wish to test. Simple. And that's what comes in the box with the MRH3 Digital Non-Destructive Moisture Meter. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.